Hello guys, welcome back to another video.
You know, I want my boxes back because someone emptied
my chicken nuggets.
someone smooched
Let me see.
the sauce.
Yeah, I know. I thought something leaked.
You guys might be wondering who these people are. This one's Hayden, this one's Logan, and this one's I love you best friend, Nick.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we went to McDonald's. The hardest part is we had a bike and carry it in our backpacks because I'm 13 experience. But we got 200 chicken nuggets in the process.
Hey, these are mine. Don't back off.
Okay,
Reed's actually 35.
I'm actually 30.
Little known fact.
Hey guys, welcome back to another ASMR.
Dude, this is another chicken nugget.
It was in the boat.
Oh, shit, Diet Coke.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
It's his fault. He told me about it. Can I eat one? I'm really hungry.
Yeah, I know.
Look, I got the continent of Africa.
What am I doing?
Nothing.
I just put my finger in the sauce, and I thought I had a
I'm gonna eat mine. It's gonna overflow.
I'm a scientist, it won't overflow. Alright, boys.
How are we not fat yet?
Oh my god. We should get a bowl and like rip all the honey mustards and put it in.
You like honey mustard that bad?
Soup today. Stop it. Oh.
Yeah, it's really.
In Miss class, they started playing Fitz's intro.
Right?
The song.
So, this is supposed to be like a moon thing. I don't know what it's called.
I'm not even counting how many I've eaten. Hey, what are you doing?
And that's how you double dip.
No, stop it.
Despacito too.
This is not okay. This needs to stop.
That's guy. That's Asian.
Logan.
You can't even remember his name.
No.
It's Nick.
Okay, now you remember.
Logan Paul. Okay, he's out here.
You guys better tag me on your Instagram. I swear to God.
You eat all 50 nuggets before me, I'll tag you.
Game on. Gotta start eating quickly.
I don't like Elmo because he's red. I do not like whole wheat bread.
I'll play music on YouTube.
Oh, dude, I'm turning that off because copyright though.
See, I told you.
No.
Yeah, they can copyright me. I don't have to claim the song.
Who is in Texas?
Find me.
How many do I have left? Hey!
Dude, I was gonna put that up with honey mustard and then dip the whole thing in.
No, you have like half-eaten chicken nuggets.
Excuse you. God damn. I wonder if I can land this in your coat.
And with the mobile shoot.
Lettuce.
I just.
Wow, yo, I think I just buffed up a chicken nugget.
What are you doing?
Wait, what? I was about to drink out of it.
I wonder how long this video is gonna be. You suck.
You should just do a live
9
stream.
minutes.
Stop eating it!
Dick in my-
Cheez-Its? My nose tastes like celery.
Fuck that off.
Are you a bitch?
Dead. No, still
Finding your girl's DMs. Honey mustard. You gross, dude. That's my booger.
This thing got messed up.
Eat it, child.
Hey!
No, hey, seriously.
Reed, why are you eating only like half of them?
Yo, by the end, who thinks they're going to get diabetes?
Not me.
I've
I've never got diabetes. You see how much candy I eat?
I bet there's just a random chicken nugget just floating around.
Smell that. Smell that.
Oh my god.
Like one random chicken nugget just floating.
Alright, hold on. We need to get super close. We need to get super.
Actually,
Yo, hold on.
it's like really quick.
Look at that stuff.
Yo, I'll give you $2. $2.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
$2?
Oh, I'm not
Good
gonna do
content.
anything then. Wait, you didn't eat it. You didn't eat it.
Hold on, wait. That should be the thumbnail. Got food poisoning from. How do I zoom in? I'm stupid.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, wait.
You didn't eat the.
I don't know what that is. We're just gonna put that down. It's poking in my head, but I lost the footage. I actually lost the footage. I'm here editing, and then I was editing the footage, and then it somehow showed I lost it. Short story. One of us threw up. One of us threw up. It was like, yeah, we gotta go home because I think we got food poisoning. And thanks for watching my 250 chicken nuggets. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Since the day that you went away.